Bagenal's Castle is a 16th-century fortified house located in Newry, County Down, Northern Ireland. It was rediscovered in 1996, where it was found located in the premises of the former McCann's bakery. The castle consists of a rectangular plan with 3 stories and was made with granite. During its restoration, sandstone was used as the replacement material. Bagenal's castle was built in 1568 in the area of a 12th-century Cistercian abbey by Sir Nicholas Bagenal, who was granted ownership of the abbey by King Edward VI in 1552. The castle's appearance changed between the 18th and 19th century, when the staircase tower was demolished around 1760 as the castle was being remodeled as a residence, and when a warehouse was built next to the castle around 1830. The Ordnance Survey memoirs from the 1830s mention the castle was occupied as 2 houses and that fragments of carved stones from it were reused for surrounding buildings. The castle was mostly forgotten by the 1830s as it was not included in the Ordnance Survey maps. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.